There's so many different things happening throughout the world. So there's a climate, and we need people like yourself who are grateful, who are working on themselves, working to become better, to bring their gifts to the world so that we can all make it a win-win for the future. We can all come together as one. When we're happy at home, we tend to be more happier at work. When we work on our mindset, we tend to be more happier at work. We tend to be more optimistic because we become more grateful, more humble, having that humility, respect for other people. And when you have that and you live your life that way, people will start to respect you for having that persona. They will give you opportunities. People will respect you in public more. I see the opposite very much happening all the time in public events. People who are very aggressive, very negative, they try to push their way through society and they don't get very far.